Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, located on the Italian Riviera in the Liguria region of Italy, is indeed a stunning and popular destination for travelers. It's often considered one of the best places to visit in Italy and offers a unique blend of natural beauty, charming villages, and cultural experiences. Here are some reasons why Cinque Terre is often regarded as a top travel destination. Cinque Terre is known for its breathtaking coastal landscapes, with rugged cliffs, clear turquoise waters, and terraced vineyards. The colorful fishing villages, nestled along the cliffs, provide picturesque views that are a delight for photographers and nature enthusiasts. The region offers numerous hiking trails, including the famous Cinque Terre National Park trails like the Sencio Azzurro, Blue Trail, and Sencio Rosso, Red Trail. These trails take you through the villages, vineyards, and along the coastline, offering spectacular vistas. Cinque Terre is composed of 5 charming villages: Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Monterosso, and Maggiore. Each village has its own unique character, with colorful houses, narrow streets, and a sense of old-world charm. Exploring these villages is a highlight of any visit. Ligurian cuisine is renowned for its fresh seafood, pesto sauce, and local wines. You can enjoy delicious meals at local restaurants and try regional specialties like trofie al pesto, a pasta dish, and anchovies. Don't forget to pair your meal with a glass of local white wine. In addition to its natural beauty, Cinque Terre offers cultural experiences. You can visit historic churches, small museums, and attend local festivals to immerse yourself in the region's traditions and history. Although the coastline is rugged, there are small pebble beaches and swimming spots in Cinque Terre where you can cool off during the summer months. Cinque Terre is a great place to unwind and take in the slow pace of life. You can relax by the sea, sip local wine, and enjoy the serene atmosphere. The villages of Cinque Terre are connected by a train line, making it easy to explore them without a car. A Cinque Terre card is available, which provides access to the hiking trails and trains within the area. The best time to visit Cinque Terre depends on your preferences and what you want to experience during your trip. Here's a breakdown of the different seasons and what they offer. Spring, which is March to May. Spring is one of the best times to visit Cinque Terre. The weather is mild, and the landscape is lush and green after the winter rains. Hiking trails are typically open, and you can enjoy the blooming flowers and vineyards. This season offers fewer crowds compared to the summer months, making it easier to explore the villages and enjoy a more tranquil experience. Summer, which is June to August. The weather is warm and pleasant, making it ideal for swimming and enjoying the beaches. The villages can get extremely crowded during this time, and accommodations may be more expensive. It's still a great time for swimming and outdoor activities, but you'll need to book accommodations well in advance. Autumn, which is September to October. Autumn is another excellent time to visit Cinque Terre. The weather remains pleasant, and the crowd starts to thin out after the summer rush. You can enjoy the harvest season in the vineyards and olive groves, and it's a fantastic time for hiking. Accommodations are more readily available, and prices may be lower than in the summer. Winter, which is November to February. Winter is the off-season in Cinque Terre, and it's the least crowded time to visit. While the weather can be cool and rainy, it's still possible to have a pleasant visit if you don't mind the occasional drizzle. Some restaurants and accommodations may have reduced hours or closed for the season, so plan accordingly. Cinque Terre consists of 5 picturesque villages along the Italian Riviera, each with its own unique charm.